I'm Steve, and this is Lou Hurd. We're in Topeka, Kansas. We started the shop in it was 84, wasn't it?
Yep.
We moved here from Casper, Wyoming.
Originally, we were born and grew up in Minnesota, but then Steve had landed a job out in Wyoming, so that's how we got out there. And then we bought out a retirement shop like this out in Wyoming, but then relocated here. We decided to retire while we still can enjoy it and sell our equipment and shop items.
It's been good.
It has, it really has. It's been a very learning experience.
Yeah, there's always a few bumps in the road, but that goes with it.
Yeah.
Just takes time and money.
That's why we don't have any left.
Their diesel fuel injection pump calibration test stands. So after we rebuild the injection pump, then we put it on one of these and calibrate it. So when they go to put it on the engine, they just have to put it on there and hook everything up and bleed the air out, and it's ready to go. These others are pretty much the same, and they're just older.
And you have to manually operate these.
And then you see the glass flasks. That's to tell us how much fuel it's being delivered in each cylinder. Yeah, all this stuff will make somebody good equipment.